Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I want to show you the best free VPN for your laptop or your PC. Hope you get what I'm trying to say. So let us dive in without wasting much of our time. But before we dive in, guys, please, if you derive any knowledge or any value from my videos, please kindly subscribe to this channel and like our videos so that the YouTube algorithm can promote this kind of content to people that are interested. Hope you get what I'm trying to say. So to move on, we'll open another browser on our Chrome. Hope you get what I'm trying, because this VPN works with our Chrome extension. It can work with Opera Mini or Brave browser or Firefox or any of your choice browser. So let us open another new tab. So when you open another new tab, on the search bar you will type in the word tunnel beer. You can see tunnel beer extension. So you put in the word tunnel beer extension, Chrome extension. So this one, they said Chrome web store, tunnel beer VPN Chrome web store. So you're gonna click on it right there. So after clicking on it, so it will open up. So after it open up, you can now connect it, add it to your Chrome, add to Chrome, because I already have it on my Chrome, so I don't need to add it again. So if I click on it, it will remove it from my Chrome. So to get done, so you click on this my extension. Can you see now I have the tunnel beer extension right now? So I am connected to Canada. So to make sure this Chrome extension is working, I am currently in Lagos, Nigeria. As you can see my location, I'm in Lagos, Nigeria. So to get this done, so you're gonna enter, open a new tab here. You type in my location, so it will bring up the location where you are. Can you see I am in Toronto, Ontario, because what I'm trying to say. So this is my current location because I am using the VPN. This VPN is very strong and it is 100% free for starter. But if you want to upgrade to other plans, you can upgrade to other plans. So if you're interested in this browser, I'll put in the link to this my affiliate link to this VPN in the description below, guys. Please do not forget to like this video and share this video with your friends and enemies. So guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.